Welcome back to 6:15. Now, May is Mental Health Awareness Month, the perfect time for New Bedford Police to officially launch a task force focused on the mental health crisis.
And new this morning, 12 News reporter Kate Walsh found out how this program works and introduces us to a mom who was already helped by them.
New Bedford Police Department has had a task force of sorts for a couple of years now to help people who may be addicted to drugs or in mental health crises. But now they have the funding from the state and 8 designated officers to focus specifically on this. And one mother tells me it's really made a difference.
My son was in crisis. I have a special needs teenager he has a slew of diagnoses.
There was nowhere else to turn.
It got to the point where his safety was at risk along with mine, so I had reached out to the police department.
It wasn't a call this New Bedford mom made easily. She was nervous about how the police response would affect her son, already in crisis, and what it could mean for his future. But moments after calling police, she was reassured her call was the right one.
There was no flashing lights, they weren't banging on the door or anything else. They were very calm, and they knew what they were doing. And it was really heartfelt, and it meant a lot to me.
They have this positive vibe, and they're trying to get out on a very human-to-human level. And I really feel like this is history in the making.
That's Melissa Ahasey. She's the diversion clinician working with New Bedford Police and their new mental health task force that started in May, Mental Health Awareness Month. Just 3 weeks into the job, and she's already seeing the difference the team is making.
When we say who we are, we're just checking in on you. This is just a wellness check, following up with a call that may have happened previously. There's wow, thank you so much.
The New Bedford Police Department has collaborated with community groups for a few years in checking on people in crisis, specifically overdoses. But now this program, funded by the Massachusetts Department of Mental Health, is elevating their aid. 8 officers are trained on crisis response, and they can address most mental health issues.
These officers have been handpicked. They have natural ability of compassion and empathy.
Sergeant Samuel Ortega says this is especially important now at a time when so many are struggling with mental health crises coming out of the pandemic and the negative attitudes some have toward police.
The ultimate goal for this team is to let the community know we're here.
The 8 officers are available at peak crises times and check in with residents in need on overtime from their regular shifts. In addition to responding, police are also keeping a database of people in crisis so they can best respond in the future. This mom has advice for others.
I hear you. I understand. And it really wasn't as scary as what I thought it was going to be. They really knew what they were doing. And again, that was all the reassurance that I needed.
In New Bedford, I'm Kate Walsh, 12 News.